Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about functional areas, but specifically about the area of human resource. My group is conformed by Laura Prieto, Julieta Aguiar, and me, Daniel Uribe.
What is a company? A company is an economic social unit made of human, material, and technical elements, whose objective is to obtain profits through its participation in the market for goods and services. What is a functional area? The functional areas are those that allow the proper functioning of the company.
What is the arc of administration and human resources? A book. It is related to the operation of the company. It is the operation of the business from hiring to company application in the summer human resources. Select entrance the talent of the company. The objective is that the personnel are sufficient quality to take care of the assigned tasks. Other functions are ensure the satisfaction of the need of the human component to guarantee its permanence. Following carry out the recruitment in selection of correct people for each place in the company. Following is responsible for ensure that people are well classified according to their training. There are 7 aspects covering human resource. 1. Administration. 2. Selection. 3. Management. 4. Training. 5. Developing. 6. Labor relations. 7. Compensations. Why is this function are important in a company? Is the most important asset in the business there are of an organization life on the people without people the day-to-day operation of a business goal set to function. The success of a business relies fully in the hands of the employees working in the company. In order to achieve the company's goals in objectives, the company human resource department is responsible in recruiting the right people with the requisite skill, qualification, and experience. They are responsible for determining the salary in wages of different job positions in the company. They are also involved in training employees for their development.
Who can work in this area? The functions that are developed in the human resource being diverse allow us to focus on the fact that there is not a specific profession to work. And so we can focus on various professions such as psychology, sociology, labor relations, lawyers, economic, and business administrations. An example of a company that uses human resource at the regional level is the company where I work, which is Claro Colombia. It's a company that has a robust organizational structure with all the functional areas previously studied. Claro Colombia is an example of human resource management since it has a unit in charge of hiring, updating, and motivational monitoring of workers. That is, it has extensive experience in managing personnel, giving it a different connotation to the collaborator, making him feel part of the organization and in the decision making. And so we end our interpretation. Thank you very much for your attention.